Have you that much strength to do running every day in this video? Embark on a journey of physical transformation with a simple yet immensely beneficial form of activity: running. It's an accessible exercise, but the challenge lies in making it a regular habit. Yet, if you persevere, the rewards to your body and mind are boundless. Join me as we explore the remarkable changes that await you when you commit to running every day. In this video, we will learn about the importance of running and cover the topics as happiness in your life, burning calories, knee problems, deep sleep, street versus treadmill running, and also I will ask some questions at last related to you. Stick around till the end of this video, and you'll discover just how fascinating this journey can be. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Let's dive in. First and foremost, prepare to welcome happiness into your life. Studies reveal that a mere 30-minute run, even at a walking pace, is enough to uplift the mood of someone grappling with depressive feelings. The magic lies in the release of endorphins, creating a euphoric sensation commonly known as the runner's high. So, get ready to be happier and more content with each stride. Now let's talk about burning calories. Running demands a significant amount of energy, with a 70-kilogram runner torching around 20 calories per minute at a moderate pace. In just 30 minutes, that's a remarkable 366 calories burned. And if you add elements like running against the wind or uphill, you'll incinerate even more calories. Contrary to popular belief, running is a friend to your knees. Scientists have discovered that runners are less prone to knee pain than non-runners. The impact of running helps maintain a healthy body mass index, strengthening leg muscles and fortifying bones. Your knees will thank you for the stress-induced adaptation that makes them stronger. As your body embarks on this daily running journey, expect your heart to reap the benefits. Aerobic exercises, even in short durations like 10 minutes of slow jogging, enhance cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart-related issues. A healthy heart paves the way for a longer and more active life. But the benefits don't stop there. Your brain is in for a treat. Aerobic exercises have been proven to improve cognitive function, enhancing memory and overall brain efficiency. If you find yourself forgetting what you had for lunch or misplacing your keys, a run might just be the mental boost you need. Deep, restful sleep becomes a reality for regular runners. Studies show that those who run at a moderate pace at least 5 times a week for 30 minutes experience improved sleep quality and mental well-being. Furthermore, your immune system gets a boost, making you less susceptible to illnesses. Aesthetically, running shapes not just your legs but your entire body. The largest muscles, concentrated in the lower part of your body, receive a comprehensive workout. Thighs, calves, buttocks, abdominal muscles, and even the back are engaged, resulting in an overall toned physique. Now, let's address the question of safety. To ensure a safe running experience, invest in proper running shoes, gradually increase your workload, diversify your workouts, and warm up before and stretch after each session. Seeking guidance from a coach can correct any technique mistakes and enhance your running experience. And now, the great debate: street versus treadmill running. Psychologically, the street might offer a more fulfilling experience, allowing you to feel the movement. However, external factors like air pollution may tip the scale in favor of the treadmill, especially if you live in a polluted area. Choose the setting that aligns with your preferences and conditions. As we conclude this journey through the benefits of daily running, consider sharing your thoughts in the comments. Do you run? Where do you prefer to run? On the street or the treadmill? Your experiences and insights might inspire others on their running journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more engaging content. Until next time, happy running.